What if I told you that you are just one story away from a completely different life? Let's see if this is that story. Many years ago, a large and ambitious shoe company was looking for new markets to grow its business. They had already sold their products in many parts of the world, but their leaders dreamed of reaching places no other company had gone before. One day, the board of directors decided to send two of their most capable salesmen to explore an unknown region on the far side of the world. It was a land full of people, but very little was known about their customs or lifestyle. The company wanted to know, could shoes be sold there? Was there a market waiting to be discovered? The two salesmen packed their bags, kissed their families goodbye, and set out on their long journeys. Both were hopeful, but also nervous, because this was uncharted territory. When the first salesman arrived, he walked through the villages and towns, carefully observing the people. To his great surprise, he noticed something unusual. Everywhere he looked, in the markets, on the roads, at the riverside, even at celebrations, people walked barefoot. Not a single person wore shoes. He thought to himself, this is hopeless. If people have never worn shoes before, why would they start now? They don't need them. They don't want them. This is a waste of time. After a few days of disappointment, he sat down and wrote a message back to the company headquarters. Bad news. Nobody here wears shoes. There is no market for us. I am returning home. Discouraged and defeated, he packed his belongings and prepared to leave. Meanwhile, the second salesman arrived in the very same region. He too walked through the villages, along the dusty roads, and into the crowded marketplaces. And just like the first salesman, he noticed that nobody wore shoes. But instead of feeling hopeless, his eyes widened with excitement. Incredible, he thought. Not a single person here has shoes. That means the entire population could be my customers. This is the greatest opportunity I've ever seen. He didn't waste a moment. Rushing to the nearest telegraph office, he sent an urgent message to his company. Fantastic news! Nobody here wears shoes. Send me thousands of pairs immediately. The market is limitless. This story was filled with lessons. Which one landed right in your heart? I'll be reading every comment to see which parts connected with you the most.